Guys, Des Moines issued an aerial flood warning for Black Hawk, Burma, Butler, Franklin, Grundy, Hardison, Jasper, Marshall. Oh wait, never mind. They issued an SVR. I thought they were toning the aerial flood warning. I thought they were toning the aerial flood warning, but they're toning the SVR. I forgot about that.
11:14 a.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Knoxville, moving northeast at 55 miles
Bro,
per hour. Expected hazards.
I thought they were toning the aerial flood warning for a second.
This is radar indicated threat.
Bro, what the heck?
Impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Dude, that storm is already strong. This is pixels in the purple.
This severe thunderstorm will be near
God damn.
Lake Red Rock, Harvey, and LM Municipal Airport around 11:20 a.m. Linville,
Dude, that is crazy.
11:35 a.m.
It's not a possible tornado.
Malcolm around 11:50 a.m. Brooklyn around 11:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by the
Northeast at 41 miles per hour.
LM Municipal Airport, Grinnell Regional Airport, Malcolm, Reesner, Oakland Acres, Jeremy, Sirrisboro, Linville, Knoxville Municipal Airport, and Harvey. This includes interstate between mile markers 171 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Mayaska, Marion, and Tallahassee.
Dude, this is gonna be absolutely crazy. Excuse me.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring. The areas affected include